In this video, we'll show you the wallet and staking process on Peercoin. To download the wallet, go to peercoin.net and navigate to the wallet page. Choose the desktop wallet for Windows to begin the download. When installing, you may get security notices about the wallet being unsafe or not having a valid signature. Using a site like VirusTotal, you'll be able to see that the official wallet is free of any sort of viruses and is only flagged due to a missing package signature. Windows EXEs are able to include a signature that must be purchased on an annual basis. Crypto developers generally do not purchase these licenses, so this can be safely ignored and installation can continue. Follow the steps and complete the installation. Once complete, open the wallet to start the syncing process. You should only need a little over a gigabyte to download the Peercoin chain. Once open, the wallet should begin the syncing process. Because the chain is small, this should take very little time. The wallet is composed of 5 major areas. The Overview tab shows your balances and recent transactions. The Send tab lets you send coins, while the Receive tab allows you to request coins. The Transactions tab provides an overview of all your transactions. The Minting tab shows transactions eligible for minting. Staking is an important part of Peercoin. Used in tandem with proof of work, it's energy efficient, helps to validate blocks, and secure the chain. Participants who help to produce blocks are called minters. After 30 days, your coins begin to accumulate coinage, which is the number of coins in the transaction multiplied by the number of days it's been held. As coinage is accumulated, a transaction becomes more likely to be chosen by the network to mint and reaches full maturity at 90 days. The bigger the coinage, and with a little luck, the transaction will be used to produce a new block and receive the block reward. This transaction's value is then split into 2 and sent back to the user's wallet. These new transactions can then become eligible for minting all over again. You can use the Minting tab to view the probability of minting at any point. To learn more and get connected to the Peercoin community, join our Discord, Telegram, or talk on our forums at talk.peercoin.net. Check the description for links.